You have 7 wives.
Mm-hmm.
You're 48 years old.
Mm-hmm.
According to your answer, I needed a scorecard in my head. Let's see if I've got some of the facts right. You married 3 sets of sisters,
mm-hmm.
correct?
Correct.
You married the 2 children of your 4th wife, so you were their stepfather. And your 2 youngest wives are your 2 stepdaughters from your 4th wife. Is that right?
Not exactly right.
Well, let me look at your answer, sir.
Right.
You say your 2 youngest wives are the children of your 4th wife, June.
That's correct.
But they're not my youngest wives.
And one of them he married before he married June.
You see, it wasn't that I married my stepdaughter, it was that I married my mother-in-law.
I see. So you were married to one of June's children first.
Yes.
And how old was that child when you married her?
How old was her daughter?
How old was the child when you married her?
Her daughter. Her daughter was 15.
And how old were you?
I was in my mid-30s.
Okay. And then after you married that child at age 15, then you married her mother,
I can see you
June.
I can see you like stigmatizing them by saying child.
Well, sir, I've had 5 children. A 14, a 15-year-old. You married your 2nd wife, Linda, when she was 14. You married your 3rd wife, Shirley, when she was 15, according to your answer.
Mm-hmm.
You married your 5th wife, Leanne, when she was 14. You married your 6th wife, Carrie, when she was 15. And you married Hannah, wife number 7, when she was 14. Where's Hannah?
Right here.
That's you.
Correct.
You're 19 now.
Yes.
You have 1 child.
Yes.
And where's Carrie?
Right here.
And you're 21 now, and you have 2 children.
I'm 20 and I have 2 children, yes.
And Leanne?
Right here.
You're 22. You have 3 children. You were 14 when you got married. Is that right? Well, sir, you know that polygamy is against the law. Against the law in the country where you choose to live.
I don't think so.
Well, tell me why you don't think so.
I don't think there's a law in the U.S. Code against polygamy.
Well, it is against the law in every jurisdiction, in every individual jurisdiction in this country, sir.
It's against the law to have more than 1 marriage license and assume to have both of them valid, but it's not against the law to enter into a relationship with more than 1 person.
That's true. So then, that's true. We have a lot of people who have a lot of relationships, Mr. Green.
That's true.
But you, according to your answer, refer to these people as wife numbers 1 through 7.
Are we going to talk about my definition of my relationship or the laws? If you want to talk about the laws, I don't have a marriage license with any of these ladies. So, in essence, they're all mistresses. Am I the only man in America to have a mistress? Or more than 1?
All right.
Are there laws against that? You see, in
So
Utah,
that what you're saying, Mr. Green,
you know, Judge, in Utah,
just a second. What you're saying, Mr. Green, is that you're not married to any of these women.
In my mind, I'm married. Our relationship is the same as if it was a marriage sanctioned by the government, but I don't believe that we require a governmental sanction to make a successful relationship.
Oh.
If the government wanted to arrest us and come after us, they would have to arrest everyone that was cohabitating without a marriage license.
Oh, well, I see you've got this down pretty pat. Mr. Green?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me some other things about you, sir. Tell me what you do for a living.
I sell magazines.
Okay. You're an independent contractor?
Yes.
Did you file tax returns last year?
Yes.
How much did you earn?
That's personal.
No, it's not. You're under oath. I asked you a question. How much did you earn when you filed your tax returns last year, sir?
I refuse to discuss my personal finances.